Ever feel like you're trapped in time and everyone else is just moving on and forward in their life? I felt like that a bit in London. I'd been there for 7 years, having highs and lows there. I was realising that life was so long, but at the same time so short. And it's time to start living your dreams now. At the start of the year, 2 close family members passed away, and I wanted to stop dreaming, break the cycle, and start doing. So I packed up my life in London, and it was a good one with family, lots of friends, a beautiful flat in West London, a great job in a fantastic design agency, fun activities like gallery hopping and exploring the fantastic museums and exhibitions London has to offer, enjoying walking in London parks, training at the gym every day, travelling to cities around the UK like Brighton and Bristol, but also exploring a few cities in Europe like Venice and Croatia. I said goodbye to them all and I headed with my boyfriend Abhishek to explore the new world of digital nomad life, travel, start living our dreams and seeing all the new opportunities that we could create, being focused on stuff that makes us happy. So join us along on the adventure around the world, traveling and designing our way through life. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and leave any comments below related to design or digital nomad life. Also, you can head over to my Instagram, Digital Design Nomad, to follow me along on my journey around the world, building my design agency and exploring different countries.